A single smartphone contains just a fraction of a gram of gold, but multiply that by every discarded device on the planet, and you have a hidden treasure worth billions. So why is so much valuable gold hiding in our old electronics, and is it really possible to strike it rich by extracting it? Let's follow the gold trail, from the chips inside your laptop to the massive industrial plants that transform e-waste into pure profit. Gold's journey into electronics began with its remarkable properties: unmatched corrosion resistance, excellent conductivity, and the ability to form ultra-reliable connections. Unlike copper or silver, gold doesn't tarnish, ensuring that critical data transfers remain error-free over years of use. That's why you will find it on the edge connectors of RAM sticks, the fine pins of CPUs, the contacts inside server boards, and the glinting traces of high-performance connectors. Macro shots and animated overlays can reveal how these tiny flecks of gold, often just microns thick, are essential to modern technology. But extracting that gold isn't as simple as cracking open old gadgets. Industrial gold recovery is a highly specialized, tightly controlled process. Whole circuit boards are shredded, sorted, and treated in secure facilities using chemistry and machinery that isolate gold from a mix of metals and plastics. Animated diagrams can illustrate how gold is gradually separated and purified, while value counters tick upwards as small amounts accumulate from tons of raw e-waste. The financial reality? While a kilo of extracted gold is worth tens of thousands of dollars, it often takes several tons of circuit boards, and significant energy, time, and investment, to reach that payoff. For individuals, the returns rarely justify the effort, but at scale, professional refiners turn vast quantities of e-waste into a lucrative business. Of course, every step has its environmental footprint. Done right, industrial recycling keeps hazardous materials out of landfills and reduces the need for new mining. But when handled irresponsibly, gold recovery can release toxins and harm communities. As we uncover the true value and cost of the gold hidden in our electronics, the question becomes, how can we recycle smarter, for both profit and planet? For more on the fascinating journey of precious metals in technology, and how you can support responsible recycling, subscribe and join us next time as we dig even deeper into the world's electronic underworld.